Have you ever wanted to get into stock trading but felt completely overwhelmed by all the information online? One person tells you to buy a stock, another tells you to sell it, and before you know it, you're more confused than when you started. If that sounds familiar, you're definitely not alone. Finding reliable trading education isn't easy, and that's one of the reasons why so many people have been checking out stocks with Josh's ChartGoat University. Instead of trying to learn from random videos or social media posts, the program brings everything together in one place, including educational lessons, chart analysis, trading strategies, market updates, real-time alerts, and a community of traders working toward the same goal. And if you decide to take a closer look, you can also get a discount by using the first link in the description below. So, what makes this program stand out? Here are 3 reasons why many traders find it valuable. First, it helps create a more structured approach to trading. One of the biggest mistakes beginners make is entering trades based on emotions or headlines without having a clear plan. Inside the program, the focus is on understanding why a trade makes sense before taking it. Daily market analysis and technical breakdowns help members identify potential opportunities while also learning the logic behind each decision. Over time, this can help traders become more confident and avoid making impulsive choices. Second, the educational content is designed to build real skills instead of encouraging shortcuts. The lessons explain topics like market structure, chart patterns, technical analysis, and risk management in a way that's easy to follow. Rather than simply copying someone else's trades, members are encouraged to understand the process so they can eventually analyze charts on their own. That's an important difference because long-term success comes from developing knowledge, not just following alerts. Third, the community and ongoing updates help traders stay consistent. Trading can sometimes feel like a lonely journey, especially when you're learning by yourself. Having access to a community where members share ideas, ask questions, and discuss market conditions can make the learning experience much more enjoyable. Combined with regular market updates and alerts, it gives traders additional information to support their own decision making. Of course, it's important to remember that no trading program can guarantee profits. Every trade involves risk, and your results will always depend on your experience, discipline, and how well you manage that risk. The program provides education and guidance, but your success ultimately comes from applying what you learn consistently. Overall, if you're looking for a structured way to improve your trading knowledge, learn technical analysis, and become more confident in your decision making, Stocks with Josh's ChartGoat University is definitely worth exploring. If you'd like to learn more or claim the available discount, be sure to use the first link in the description below. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.